here at Welland looking at this beautiful Avery tractor, which has got this huge sort of cooling tower type radiator on the front and a wonderful horizontally opposed engine. I do like a horizontal twin, and really unusual, that whole engine and cooling tower moving a rail. Yeah, it's got 2-speed and reverse, but they move in a rail to enable it to engage the gears. So that whole lot shunts along, which is pretty unusual. Obviously, you know, early days, 1917, they were sort of figuring out the best way of doing these things. It's in lovely condition. It's a lovely looking machine, and yeah, a real joy to behold in that colour scheme. It's came all the way from Illinois in America. It was imported around 2006, I think, or 2007, and now owned by the West family, who I should think are very proud of it, because it's a really nice looking machine. It really does stand out.